One of the other perspective that we are seeing today as MDR being a new buzzword is equally threat hunt. And we all being practitioners by ourselves, there are multiple definitions for threat hunt. Now, what do you think is actual reality? What is threat hunt and how proactive can it be in identifying those known unknowns and potential unknown unknowns as well?
No, I'll give my own experience, as part of my delivery engagements with very big customers, Fortune 20 customers. A lot of money have been invested into threat intelligence platform.
Sure.
Then there are, of course, very high-end SIM platforms that we have deployed. But we have I wouldn't call it an army, but a sizable team that is responsible for threefold. One is manually, of course, we publish threat intel bulletin on a daily basis, daily, weekly, and then strategic threat intelligence bulletin confining to that particular vertical and how 100% or near 100% relevant to a specific enterprise. We do that. That is one part of the intel, bringing that intelligence. And then we have, the manual threat hunting as an activity that we perform continually based on the intel. We test against the indicators of compromise, IOCs. And then, we use the tactics and the techniques, thanks to MITRE attack framework. So that essentially helps us to use various tactics and techniques. And then finally, we see is our IOCs are susceptible to a particular ransomware attack or a sophisticated malware. And then, we give this, of course, when we do this testing, we find that, yes, we are susceptible. Then we manually go back to our content engineering team to look into the use cases. Then, they actually write a new use case or fine tune the existing use case. And this is a continuous activity. If you really ask me, we cannot be really beating the type of number of ransomware attack vectors that may be coming, in a given month vis-a-vis our effort. We are always lagging. We say that, hey, there are two more vectors, we have not tested against. So this is my own personal challenge that, I see when I review any of our engagements. As a continuous activity, we take a 30 days, 60 days, 90 days plan and then try and continually improve our posture, security posture. A situation where if, like as you correctly said, MDR, managed detection and response as a platform, if it can combine the powers of endpoint detection and response, and as Chaitanya mentioned, bringing the security orchestration, automation, and response. So what we are currently doing is we are integrating the SOAR. We bring a SOAR and then start building the playbooks, and then we are trying to automate at least the L1 or the typically the L1 kind of a ticket we have been able to automate. But if you really ask me, am I completely satisfied with the process that we are taking through? It is a lot of time consuming. Sometimes the attacks are ahead of us. So a situation where we orchestrate, robotize right from intel to performing the automation, bringing a layer of an automation to do the automated threat hunting, and then a SOAR coming and then responding to maybe a wishful thinking, but if such a platform is something that we can really look at, we could save a lot of time, people time, and then money. And we can, I wouldn't say we'll be ahead of attackers, but at least we will be at par. We would have created our enough defense. So in short, we have siloed technologies and we have siloed best practices for intel to hunting to content engineering to making sure that we have tested, and then based on the pattern or based on the IOCs, we improved our use cases. But the whole journey is taking a lot of time. So this is one of our key challenges as part of the threat intel-led hunting as an operation that we are continually performing for every of our customers.
Understood. No, Ravi, that's a great point that you brought in, and also in terms of the challenges that you are potentially going through, especially meeting the expectations day on day with large customers, Fortune 20. meeting their cyber challenges day on day is super combative in nature.